Yeah, here.
Yeah. Shuffle.
Pretend you like us.
Are we doing a Hey Peeps on this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay. This
How
is
do
a
you
proper
say that?
video. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey Peeps! Welcome to another video. Today it is our I'm going to Lady McElroy not buying any fabric haul. Yeah. These two were like, yeah, I'm not going to get anything, and they spent, both of them, more than I did.
Can I just say we were abject failures?
Yes.
At that.
Complete and utter
failed.
Complete and utter failures. So I had to go to Lady McElroy because I had to drop some stuff off. Also to pick up fabric that I'd paid for last time and that they couldn't find.
She's arguing that technically she didn't buy that. I disagree.
I bought it last time. It was £20. It's a Darley-Dale denim. They don't have any more of it. I'm really sorry, but it's so pretty.
It's lovely.
It's like geology.
I think it's like a nebula.
Oh,
it's fabulous.
I didn't
It
see
struck me as
space.
space.
I
Yeah.
saw rocks.
I thought that looked like the Milky Way.
Yeah, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I think it's going to be a skirt. Mum, you're completely out of shot. There you go.
I'm looking.
And we're standing at this point here because if we come any further forward, the overhead light looks awful.
Like this, look.
It's not a good look.
It's not flattering. Can I just say, I've noticed this. I'm sure Sean's other fans will have noticed this at all as well.
Sorry, I'm looking at the fabric.
It's right, I found a little shiny bit.
Oh, yeah.
It'll come off in the wash.
We were worried, weren't we?
That she does that a lot. So, I bought this. I bought it all. You can't have it.
It's not always
Have we
intentional.
noticed that she does that?
It's not always intentional. Look, your fabric's been attacking mine. Give you your wool back.
My fabric's very energetic. There's bits of fluff attacking everybody. I think that's attached to something.
Yeah, that's yes. Ah, it's yours for life.
I don't want it. There we go.
So I had to go and pick this up because I mean, to be fair, I could have paid for postage, but they just said, you know, pay for it and then come and pick it up the next time that you're in town. And it was like,
because they know you'll go back in there and buy more.
They're not stupid, and I am, clearly. So I went to pick up my Darley-Dale denim, and I also had to get my brother's birthday / Christmas present.
Look away now, James.
Yes, if you don't want to see what you're getting, look away now. So I bought the fabric, and Mum is going to make the shirt, and we had two options.
We did.
Elephant and Chameleon or Monteverde.
The loudest fabric in the shop.
Yes, it's got lilies and birds of paradise all over it, and there's 2.5 meters. It's the cotton lawn. I've got the viscose. If James and I go out wearing the same,
Oh, when you
print.
go across, you have to go matchy.
yeah, we can Von Trapp it up.
And you've got all your Dolce & Gabbana. You need
Yes.
to take that with you so
Yes.
you can go matchy, just so that Malaysia know your brother and sister.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So James, happy birthday, Christmas.
Be afraid, I'm making it.
Yes. And Mother's making it, and Nia will deliver it.
Yeah,
Yes.
Nia gave me the pattern.
It's a whole family
So this one will
effort,
fit.
this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a whole family effort.
So they were I needed James's. Where are you going?
She's
Mum!
having a sip of her water off shop because she doesn't want you to get demonetised for drinking that particular type of water.
It's very tasty water.
I don't care.
She doesn't care.
It's not my income.
I'm not going to have to edit this at all. I'm just going to put the entire thing out and see what we get.
Dangerous.
We haven't said what we're drinking. It's just water.
Yeah, with lemon.
With lemon.
Water.
And
ice.
And a little bit of
Juniper.
juniper in it as well. That might happen to have been fermented at some point in its life. Strange. Anyway, fabric. So I had 4 fabrics, and I've now got 2 left to show you, and I still spent less than both of these 2. So
Well,
let's
she
do-
got one for free.
Cheating.
Well, I lent them my jacket for display purposes, so they've rented my jacket in fabric.
Yeah.
There was an
Yeah.
exchange of goods.
I think that's
Okay.
reasonable.
So, yes.
Okay.
So, should we do your knit first, Mother?
Yes, you can do my knit.
Saw this one and she fell in love, which this is very Mum. Very Mum. And you've got 2 meters, and it's going to be a renfrew
Yeah, the one with
with the cowl neck.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the renfrew with the cowl neck on it. This is really pretty. I have absolutely no idea what this print is called.
No.
No idea. I will try and find it for you and link it down below, but I think you got the last of the bolt of this one as well, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah. In
Yes.
fact, both of
2 and a
It's a
bit.
family habit.
yeah,
really.
both of Mother's fabrics, she got the
Are
last
end
of
of
it,
rolls,
and
yeah.
so I might not be able to link those to you. Sorry.
Might get some more one day.
So we didn't film this time when we went in because last time we had to get special permission to do it because it's super secret squirrel around the back in the warehouse. But we did go to get to go and play in the warehouse and go upstairs to the silk department. It was just, we had an amazing time.
And
You
it
had
would have
to
been
drag-
like herding cats because we were never in the same
No,
aisle at the
no.
same time.
No, he had to drag me in.
Yes,
He did.
He knew what he was doing because he was like, "Come and see the wolves."
No, I wasn't going.
No, and they
But I
both bought wool. So should we do yours first?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Because mine is beautiful.
Yes, you're also out of shot as well.
Hopefully
There we
this
go.
won't pick up all the cat hair that's all over it already. This is the most... Oh, look at the colour of that.
That is very pretty.
It's coming a bit pink on there. It's much richer in real life,
Yes,
isn't it? It's
yes.
like a blood
It's
red.
the overhead light.
Yeah.
It's bleaching
Beautiful
things out.
But
burgundy
it's
red.
a wool viscose. You might be
Two
able to hear
secs.
my alarm going off in the background. The daughter is coming to sort that out because that's why I keep This is a wool viscose, but it's got a stretch in it as well, which is very nice. Yeah, she forgot again. So yeah, I got 2.5 meters of that to make the...
Trousers of some description.
Oh, I haven't got my phone
Not
here.
Paulinos.
No.
No, I think they're called the Billy trousers, and they're the ones that Alex Judge Sews made.
I will put an
In
image
dark
up
green.
on the screen for you guys
They're
to see it,
beautiful,
and
they're
I will
like-
list them in the description down below once Nia's told me
Yeah.
what they are when we've got the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're like wide leg, pleat fronts, very Catherine Hepburn, Oxford bags type of a
Nice.
shape of trouser.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
So
Not
that's
for
what they're
someone
going to
of
be.
my
Not for
shape.
someone of your height, because
Or shape.
yeah, but
Well, no height, because there's nothing. You're disappearing inwards. Mother's
Me
drinking
being-
more of her juniper water as well, by the way.
a slightly chunky string bean,
No,
sort of mutant
you're
runner
so
bean kind of a
slim.
shape.
Yeah.
I can get away with the length and the bagginess because I'm tall.
So I'd gotten all my fabrics. I'm going to show you my most exciting one last. And I saw this one on the Bolt, and it was with all the silk, so I thought it might be silk because it is so
soft.
fine. So fine. This isn't a McElroy print, so, and again, I got the last of it. I had wanted 3 meters, but there is about 1.2 on the roll. And so it's,
It's like a shipping.
there we go.
Yeah, it's like a shipping chart.
Yeah.
A navigation chart. Your dad's going to want to steal that.
But it's
There's
so
not-
soft.
There is not enough fabric for a
No.
shirt for Dad. So I wanted 3 meters because I wanted to make one of my giant bishop sleeved pirate shirts out of
it
it
would have
with this
such
print.
a good pirate shirt with shipping charts.
It really would.
Fabric.
But because there was only that little bit left, I sort of said no, I shan't. And I've lent them one of my jackets for the knitting and stitching show next week. And Raymond just said, "Oh, well, why don't you have this as a thank you?" So I think I'm going to do the Vogue 9006 with it because I know I might be able to get the 6563 t-shirt out of it, but I definitely will be able to get the Vogue one out of it. And I really like that Vogue one. So I think that's what...
Do a plain white shirt and just use that for the collar and the big sleeves
No.
to poke out the waistcoat.
No. It's going to have a cowl neck. Yeah.
But it's very pretty.
It's very pretty, and again, I got the last of it, so I can't link to it. I'm very sorry. So Mum has got another one that I can't link to because she got the last of it.
Did I?
Yes. There was just over 3 meters on the Bolt, and these are some ex-designer wools that they've got in. And if you are at the knitting and stitching show this weekend, they've taken all of these on the bolts, and so it's one of the. It's kind of like a buy it when you see it because you'll never see it again kind of thing. So Mum fell in love with this one, and I wonder if we can realise why. This is actually the inside of it, because he folded it that way. This is the outside. There is a very subtle difference, and it was also see-through. There was this brand called Knitja that you used to wear all the time, and it was very kind of floaty, long overcoats and trousers and tunics and kind of thing.
Because it was right for me in Saudi.
Yeah. And it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
But they've gone now.
Yeah, they went a long time ago actually. So Mum is planning on making a UK appropriate overcoat, long overcoat
Duster
out
coat.
of it.
To
Yeah,
wear
out
the
of this.
trousers and a jumper. Or
Yeah, so kind of like elegant but extra layer of warmth kind of thing.
I'm not sure whether I'm going to line it or not.
It's got such a nice lustre to it as
It's
well,
lovely.
though.
I kind of like the fact that it is so see-through.
Yeah.
Because it kind of just gives it that floaty airiness, even though it is a wool, because it is quite a heavy piece of fabric. There's just over 3 metres here. These are £28 per metre. Then Nia knew that you wanted a print, didn't you?
I did want a print.
And this was the closest to the
This is
D&G.
the closest I could get to the D&G, which I really resent giving to James. Which was this rather lovely thing here.
Banana leaf.
It's actually on a really pale mint green.
Yeah.
It's like white with a hint of green as the background. It's not white and green. There is a little bit of colour in the background.
Yeah, because there was a stark white one as well, wasn't there?
There was, but
cream?
it was more intricate.
was a different-
and it had
yes,
different
yeah,
turquoise.
I've got that one.
Yeah.
Whereas I
Yeah,
like
you
this
have,
one
yeah.
because it was the closest I've seen in this country to the D&G banana leaf
Yes,
fabric.
yes. So you got 4 metres of this.
I
Do you know
did.
what you're going to do with it?
No,
No?
I'm going to make a dress to take
Dress.
to Kuala Lumpur.
Yes.
Fair enough.
Possibly a Shelby dress. Possibly this might be the one I used to do the Ogden cami
Ooh,
hack that's
with the
been
tiered,
all over
yes.
Instagram with just the big skirt with pockets and the Ogden cami top.
Yeah.
Sort of empire length. So
But it's going to be very
It might
pretty,
be that.
and it's the Marley lawn, so it's nice,
Oh, it's so
lightweight,
light, it's
and
ridiculous.
floaty, and lovely to wear and lovely to work with.
Gorgeous.
I
So
know I'm
both
not
of you-
going to line it because that'll be
There we
unbearable
go.
in Kuala Lumpur.
I have one more fabric to
I've
show
got
you.
Maraflex.
Oh yes, two Maraf, and very
do.
well colour matched without the fabric
Oh,
being
yeah.
there. It was impressive.
Yeah, I'm making my daughter a dress out of this colour and I got the colour exact by guesswork. I was
Very
very
clever.
happy.
Very clever. We went up to the silk department. They have dupionis for $11.99 a metre, which is the best price
best
that I've
price
seen in
we've
the
seen,
UK anywhere. The colour range is not huge, but the colour range is beautiful.
Oh, it's
For what they do
gorgeous.
have, it's gorgeous. There was a kingfisher blue, and I was looking on the website, and I was like, oh yeah, how much? I'll add five metres to cart just to see, and they only got 0.3 of a metre left according to the stock take thing that they've got. So we were getting out all of the silks, weren't we?
Yes.
Yes.
Sean
And-
was going, I'm not buying anymore, and I was going, ooh, have you seen this one?
must have, need now. There was an absolutely beautiful jade green that I was very tempted by, but they talked me into this one, which is a two-tone orange, well, red and yellow shift, so it's kind of like orangey in certain lights. It is absolutely
beautiful.
gorgeous. I have 6 metres of it, and I am going to be attempting at some point next year another project that scares me, something like the Dolce & Gabbana suit that I mentioned in one of my Get the Look for Less videos, which will appear just above Mum's head, up here. Yes, there. So I'm going to be attempting to do a pair of pegged trousers, a waistcoat and a jacket. Now, Bianca from the Closet Historian has just released her Mandragora jacket, and it's unbelievable.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
I will link the video in the description down below, and if you don't follow Bianca, you really should, and I'm sure you probably already do. It's kind of made me think that maybe I want to embellish the back of this jacket with some dragons. And we were looking on Urban Threads and we found this motif, which it's a leafy dragon, and I just think, oh, it could be amazing. And I actually think that for the next dressmakers ball, a 3-piece Dupioni silk suit is going to
With the
be
glittery pretties all down the back.
yeah, I think that's going to be, and like I'm thinking an organza shirt for underneath as well, because the waistcoat will cover everything that I need it to. So that's what I'm thinking with that one. But I
The
was
camera's just not picking up the shift on it.
not
is
at all.
it?
I'll see if I can
It's
get a better, because it's the light as well. I'll see if I
Yeah.
can get a better picture of this for you, because it really is beautiful. But I held them all up to my face, and they both of
This
them.
one was just
This brought
made
her
such a
alive,
difference
whereas
Yeah.
the
compared
green
with the green.
drained her a bit.
It was beautiful.
Yeah. So that's it. That's our Lady McElroy. We're not buying any fabric haul.
Except that
And
I
it does
was
pick out
cuddling.
Savannah.
Oh
You were
yes,
cuddling.
yes. If you watch the Hangout, you know this story already. But this is what I'm wearing is the viscose crepe jersey and they can't get it anymore, so this is as rare as hen's teeth. And we were up there and where the remnants for Sherwoods are, and Mum just was like, ooh, and we found 2-metre remnant of this, and Mum's been cuddling it for about 20 metres trying to decide whether or not she was going to buy it, and she put it back. So if you get that 2-metre remnant,
self-restraint. Sorry, I'm drifting.
It's mine.
I'm fondling my fabric over here. Sorry.
If you get that 2-metre remnant of this crepe jersey, then it's been cuddled by Mum.
Yeah.
much love has gone into that fabric. She put it back.
It was so good.
You were.
This is very cosy.
All
It
stupid.
is.
All stupid.
Yes, you may regret this later.
I may regret this.
So that's it. That's all that we bought. We were very
restrained, given the size of that warehouse, and
I
it
know.
was literally up to the ceiling.
We asked if we could move in. They'd never notice us. It's so big. We could just tuck ourselves away in the corner, but
Take our sewing machines.
yeah, they didn't seem overly enthused about that for some reason.
No.
It was odd, very odd. But if you're ever in the Midlands and you fancy going to the Sherwoods McElroy site, it's a Tuesday and a Thursday. You need to pre-book an appointment. Usually you'll get an hour. It's totally worth it. It's so much fun to touch and feel all the fabrics. They're so knowledgeable about all their stuff as well. If you want to see something from the website that's not in the shop, they will go and find it for you, pick it out, bring it over. We got out all sorts, and it's a lovely day out. And
even when it's
You did
very,
order that
very
lovely
oh, Mum's ordered some lining as well.
Yeah,
coat
lining
lining.
with the shift on it. Do you remember?
And I paid for it.
Yes.
so you've paid
That's
for it
why
up
it was
front,
more
that's
money.
Yes, yes. Mum's also bought 5 metres of coat lining, but they didn't have it in
Yes.
stock, so they're going to send it on to us.
For this
Although-
coat we're gonna make.
Yeah. Right, so I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Ready? Bye!